Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a post to your Instagram account. So if you want to add a post to your Instagram account, firstly head over to your Instagram app. So below down you're going to see a plus icon, then click on that, then you select the image you want to post, then click on next. So you add an effect if you want to add it from the effects shown below. So let's say I want to use this simple effect, then next. Then you add a caption here if you want to add a caption. Let's say I want to add a caption I, then okay, then click on share. So as you can see now, I've successfully been able to share a post on my Instagram account. So if you find this video very helpful, do not forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.